Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This week has been packed with big events in the stock market, and we're here to break it all down for you in a quick recap. Let's get started with the biggest stories in the markets for early November 2024. Segment 1, Election Aftermath and Stock Movements. First up, the impact of the US election results. The presidential election wrapped up this week with the Republican candidate winning the race. This news triggered a big response on Wall Street. Stocks rallied as investors felt more confident in a pro business political outlook. With the Dow Jones Industrial Average reaching new highs, the tech heavy NASDAQ has also been on a roller coaster. After a 7-week losing streak, we saw a recovery thanks to strong earnings reports from major tech companies and a more positive market outlook. This week alone, NASDAQ saw a huge upswing after these earnings reports came in. Segment 2, Earnings Season. Amazon and Airbnb soared. Now, let's dive into earnings season. This is when companies report their financial performance for the quarter. Two companies that really stood out this week were Amazon and Airbnb. Amazon stock surged as the company announced better than expected earnings. The AI business is booming, with Amazon CEO stating that the company's AI division is growing 3 times faster than Amazon Web Services did in its early stages. Analysts are excited, especially as Amazon plans to invest billions in AI infrastructure. This growth in AI has given Amazon a major boost, with shares rising about 7% this week alone. Airbnb also impressed the market. Despite the economic slowdown, Airbnb reported strong revenue, mostly due to an increase in international travel bookings. This has helped their stock stay resilient and even beat analyst expectations for this quarter. With travel demand still high, Airbnb is likely to keep performing well into the next quarter. Segment 3, Other notable companies, Apple and Tesla. Other big names like Apple and Tesla have also been in the spotlight this week. Apple reported a drop in iPhone sales, which spooked some investors initially. However, the company made up for it with strong sales in services like iCloud and the App Store, balancing out the results. Their share price saw some fluctuations but remained steady overall. For Tesla, things were a bit more challenging. The EV maker is facing tougher competition from both domestic and international markets, especially with new electric car models rolling out from rival companies. Although Tesla's long-term outlook remains strong, this week wasn't the best for its stock price as it dipped slightly. Segment 4, Economic Indicators, Jobs Report, and Interest Rates. Next, let's talk about some key economic indicators that have everyone's attention right now: the Jobs Report and interest rates. Last week's jobs report showed a slowdown in hiring, which is making some investors nervous. A slowing job market can impact consumer spending, which is crucial for the economy. The Federal Reserve has been closely watching these numbers. Right now, the big question is whether they'll raise interest rates again. High interest rates can slow down economic growth, but they are also a tool to control inflation. So, any news on this front could create big market swings in the coming weeks. Segment 5, Company Surprises, Abbott and Trump Media. We also saw some surprising news from companies like Abbott Laboratories and Trump Media. Abbott's shares jumped this week after they won a court case about baby formula safety. The ruling was a rare win for Abbott in a series of similar cases, and investors welcomed the positive news with a 5% boost in Abbott stock. Meanwhile, Trump Media, which runs Truth Social, has been incredibly volatile. The stock has seen massive swings of up to 40% in just 1 week. This has been largely due to speculation around the election results. As Trump is a major stakeholder, the election news has driven a lot of excitement and risk around the stock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recap and want to stay up to date on the latest market news, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We post weekly updates to keep you informed. Until next time, happy investing and take care.